Nongaiktien ka Sorkar MDA baar ubak polling do hakesngi balang ulaong baka Sorkar jela hakine ki Shisnem balalek kalala banle bun ki kam ki bakongsan ki bayade banyo ya ke Jingkynjoh la banong baka Sorkar MDA baar hakesngi balang kan riu terik mentau benai Nongaiktien Shisnem haki Jingkynjoh ya ke jela habaong bagi Jingkynjoh jang Sorkar MDA baar kalalong ke bapla baling do laong bakat kum layo i nakamang tingka ke balawan rado menteri rang bak ke Sorkar kadon gejing perkat bantri ke kam bat lakmi lenti bahaswa bankut ke samoy tri kam jekene ke Sorkar ke Meghalaya kan Jingkynjoh sya ke yok ke kot ke ba 10 bilion ne ka 10 bilion dollar economy habak kedau ba ke program CM Elevate kalak Q bha bat ong ba ha kebayade berketnat arts and culture kabala juk perkat kum ketnat kabarit henrei kalala banbu ya udor mod jong utirot sing library hadaka kane thakur culture complex hashilong bat kiwei pat kikam.
The performance of this MDA2 has been phenomenal. As you can see from the budget presented by the Chief Minister, we have a very ambitious program of action, and we intend that by the end of the tenure of this government, Meghalaya would be a $10 billion economy. The CM Elevate program has taken off in a huge manner. Arts and culture, which was always considered a minor department, today has been able to establish Utrirok Singh Library at Dhaka, the Tagore Cultural Complex here at Shillong, and several other activities. The tourism department is busy on a daily basis. You have the MGMP, which organizes shows and engages roughly around 3,000 youngsters. We have about 50,000 people directly and indirectly engaged by the tourism sector. So these are major milestones.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center